Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, this is the part 2 to my business supply haul. This is more of a packaging haul. So yeah, we're gonna get into that. Again, this is part 2. I do have still some more packages coming from Amazon that are delayed, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like a haul on my Insta story or my TikTok, so you can just follow me there and see the rest of the stuff that I have coming. So it was out for delivery today, but it was supposed to be here yesterday, so I'm not keeping my hopes up. Anyway, sorry if the lighting is poor. I'm actually using natural lighting right now from my window. I didn't feel like getting my studio light, so I'm just using the natural light right now, so it's a little bit darker than normal. But anyway, before we get into this video, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Also, make sure you give me a like if you like this video. If you would like to follow me on social media, all of that is linked in the description below, and let's get into it. Okay, so some of this stuff is still in the packaging, so I may open it up here like I normally do, because sometimes I forget to take it out of the packaging before I do the video. Okay, sorry, camera moved. The box hit it. So the first thing I'm going to show you is some things I got from Home Depot. Some more stuff that I got for the new resin crafts that I'm going to be doing. I'm so excited to get into it and start learning how to do resin crafts. Yeah, so I got these goggles. I do have another pair that I purchased, but they're just like regular glasses and they don't cover the full eye, but they kind of go around like this and are like a little thinner. But I thought these would be better, and they're only like $4 something at Home Depot. And then I got some reusable Nika heavy duty gloves, because when I went to go look for the box of disposable gloves, all they had was large and extra large, and my hand is small, so I got these. I got 2 of these, and these are reusable. I will still check back at Home Depot or Amazon to see if they have the small industrial or heavy duty gloves in. So I've been watching a lot of TikToks and YouTube videos on sanding your resin when you make a resin crafts and getting them out of the molds and stuff. So I got this sanding paper. This is a extra fine grit for finishes. Is 400, #1 sanding performance, so we'll see how that goes. And Greg actually has a hand sander too, but I'm not sure that I'm going to need anything so intense, so I think I'll be okay with those. So this came yesterday. I'm trying to cover up my address. Here we go. This came from Amazon. Focus! And these are just small like mailer boxes. I'll try to remember to insert a photo here so you can see what they are. I'm not going to take these out. It's just too much work. They have this thing like super like vacuum sealed. So I'm not going to go and undo all of that. But I will leave a picture here or there, wherever I leave it. Okay, so these are some more mailers that I got. And that just ripped. But I got, I think it was 200 of these. Yeah, 200 of these envelopes. These are 10 by 13 mailer envelopes that I got Amazon again. I've been getting all my stuff from Amazon lately because it's so much more convenient. I can just order it. It gets here in no time flat, of course, when they have delays like they're having now with the rest of my products. So again, I will link all of these shipping products and things like that in my office supply board on my Amazon shop, so that link is also below. These are 200 of these, and these are 6x9s, and they're pretty much the same. So I ordered these from the same little company on Amazon. So I'm going to, when I put this into my Amazon shop, when I put the links to these in my Amazon shop, it's going to be from the company I ordered them from, because they had the best price to me for the quantity. So that's what I was looking at when I was ordering, price versus quantity, because some of them were giving me the prices that I paid for these for like 25 or 50. And I'm like, if I get 200 for that price, I'm going to get 200. So there's that. It's very slippery, so it's about to fall. I'm going to try to put it on my lap. Sorry. Okay, so what else? Oh, these did come. These came. These are my bookmark resin molds. So let me show you these. So this came in like a little kit thing. And I will also leave these in my DIY supplies. So these are tassels. And I believe 50, I got 50 of these, something like that. And then I got small and like medium size silicone molds. So I'll take them out so you can see. So I got 4, 5. I got 5 of these little ones, which is awesome, awesome sauce. And then I got 5 of these like medium sized ones. So these will be bookmarks. And I love the way they feel. They're not hard. They feel pretty flexible. So when I'm demolding, hopefully I have a pretty easy time. I've been watching so many tips and things on TikTok and YouTube on how to do resin crafts. So I want to be prepared. I have some bubble mailers. These are 6x10, 25 came in a bag. This is that side and this is what they look like. So I'll take one out so you can see what it actually looks like. So really cute, and the thing I like about these is I can add my custom labeling to it when I get ready to ship them out. Then we have, these are 4x7s, and 50 came in this pack. So they look pretty much like the other one, so I don't need to take this one out. But yeah, that is the part 2 of my office supply haul. Like I said, I do have more craft stuff coming in from Amazon and a few other places. And because they're taking so long, I don't want to keep doing hauls on this channel. I mean, I do a lot of hauls, but I want to do like back-to-back hauls. So like I said, I'll either show you on my Instagram or my TikTok or both. And I have to remember, please remind me guys if I forget to put the link to my TikTok down below. So that's it for this video, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Also make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed. If you want to follow me on social media, all of that is linked in the description. I will see you guys next time. Bye.